No, turn it up now. Hey cuties! Long time no talk, biatches! Today, the title is not clickbait. It is 100% true. I got a face tat. Did I get a face tat? Am I going to get a face tat? What is happening? I documented the whole experience. Let's start with day one, which the audio is kind of shaky for the first minute or two. We get into my reasoning, what I want, the struggles I went through, the tattoo itself, the healing, what it looks like, putting makeup on, everything. Here you go. Love you guys. Boom. Today I'm getting a face tattoo, I think. I'm pretty sure. I might chicken out. I don't know. I've been wanting this for 4 years, and I feel like it's finally happening today, so it's a little bit surreal. It's not like it's a last minute decision. It's not like for trends or anything like that, you know what I mean? That a lot of people may think that. It was so sudden. I woke up to a text, can you come in at 2:30 for your face tat? And I'm like, I'm kind of nervous. I got showered up. I'm gonna eat something, edit a video, and then fully make my decision. I'm gonna tell you what it is, where it is, how it is, everything like that. Just let me get my stuff in order, okay? I'm thinking today I'm just gonna do some mac and cheese. Frozen meal. Oh, that's real frozen. What the hell? I can't even be bothered to cook a meal right now. I'm just so, not anxiety, but just like, oh my god, it's actually happening. Am I making the wrong decision? Like, you know, stuff like that is running through my head. Which, if you do have doubts, you shouldn't do it. I don't have doubts. It's just so sudden. I like to plan things, you know? That's where I'm at. Mac and cheese with hot sauce, ice water, and I'm so nervous. I'm nervous now. Okay, I just got like a burgundy pencil to figure out if I want it here, or here. I don't know. My friend is telling me to do it here. Kind of a shitty heart, but okay. How do I feel about that? This is so nerve-wracking. And then where I originally wanted it was right here. Ah! Should have just knocked everything down. It's gonna be lighter than that. It's not gonna be... Trixie just knocks everything down. So this is what it's gonna look like straight on. Like you won't see it unless I like turn my head like that. I think I like that one the best. I think I'm gonna go center to my eyes. I was just told like if you go down here it's gonna look like your face is drooping, and if you go up here you're gonna always see it on your eyebrow. It might look a little weird, and I really don't want it like down here. Like center with my eye. That was the shittiest heart ever. But I think like that's like what I want. I'm gonna do one over here. Okay, let me see both. It's on my face, you guys. That's why I'm being so meticulous. Okay, so both of them you can't really see straight on. Why do I like that one better over here? I think that one looks cute, and I like that it is center. It kind of just looks more asymmetric. Over here, I kind of don't like it now because of the beauty mark. And this is where I originally wanted it. Was right below the beauty mark. I think I'm gonna do this. We kind of stand. Okay, I'm kind of excited right now. I'm really excited because I was just worried about the placement. And now we're contemplating this. Right here on my ear. I feel like that kind of looks a little weird. It's like not now face tat. It's an ear tat. So, okay, I'm trying one last placement. Like right here. But would that look weird on my jaw? Let's try it out. I don't know. I'm so confused. Okay, so I really think I like this placement. It doesn't like elongate my face. It's kind of like off to the side. And when I put up my hair, you can, I don't know if I just said that, but all my friends are saying this placement. I literally drew all over my body just now. So I think I like that the best. That's what I like the best. I have like 10 minutes before I have to go. Here we go. I still have it drawn, and I'm so glad I did all those placements, because if I just would have went on there wanting it like right here where I was originally wanting it, I don't think I would have been happy, and it's on my face forever. So I'm so happy with this. I want it done now. Like I'm now like excited. Like I'm excited. So excited. I'm not even nervous at all. I'm so excited. Let's go. I just want to explain it now. I have been wanting a face tattoo for 4 years now. The very first photo in my camera roll is of my mock-up face tattoo. Okay, if I go to my camera roll, and if I go to the very top of my camera roll, the very first picture in my camera roll is this right here. And as you can see, it says February 5th, 2019 is when I screenshotted this. I still want the exact same thing, but like changed up a little bit. So it's good to like think on things for sure. I still want a heart, I still want it on my face, I still want it on the side of my face. So that doesn't change. Changing now is I want it an outline, not filled in, and then I want it in red. I think it would look so pretty in red. I don't know, I just love like the red tattoos. Like I just think they're so beautiful. I don't know if you guys remember, I vlogged about it so long ago. I went to multiple tattoo places in the city. Every single one turned me down. Every single one of them turned me down. They said either I had to be fully covered with tattoos for them to tattoo my face, and I was like, okay, like I get that, I do get it, but I don't want to be fully covered in tattoos. I just want this tattoo, right? Like, and I'm not doing it to be trendy. I'm not doing it for any other reason but myself. I love hearts. I think it's a cute little placement. I just think it's like very me. I don't want to be covered in tattoos. Nothing against people who are covered in tattoos. Think that they're beautiful and have such a high pain tolerance. I think it's beautiful. It's just personally not what I want from my look. So other people would say, oh, you have to have full hand tattoos for me to, and I'm like, well, I don't want full hand tattoos. And then other people would say, like tattoo artists is what I'm talking about, would say I need to have neck tats before. I don't want neck tats as of right now, right? I could change and be like, I want my full body tattoo tomorrow. I don't know. But the fact that I've been wanting this for 4 years and I'm finally doing it, I just think it's amazing to want something for so long and finally have someone that knows me and knows like who I am and my personality, why I want the tattoo and how long I've wanted the tattoo for, and like I'm not changing my mind. At the very last minute I was gonna change to a little butterfly. I really was, but I'm like, Samantha, you've wanted this heart, get the heart. I'm so excited. It's gonna take so quick. My best friend and my other friend were like, it's gonna hurt bad. Like, it's gonna hurt. And I was like, it's literally gonna be like this. Done. Like, it was so last minute. Literally this morning, my friend Jesse Zabos at Art Sharks was like texted me and he's like, you wanna come today to do your face tat at 2:30? I was like, what? I have nothing going on today other than editing and my videos uploading at home right now. Sure? Like, you know what I mean? Like, so there's kind of like no room to say yes or no. It's like, do it. Like, I think that's the best way to, and that's like, sorry, I'm just like blabbing, but like, it's the best way to just be like, do it. You know, don't think about just do it. I'm gonna have to hide it from you guys from this vlog because I'm also vlogging today. So I'm gonna have to like hide it. But I'm so excited, I can't wait. The only thing I'm worried about is that it's gonna be bigger than what I wanted and it's not gonna be even. No, turn it up now. Oh my god, it looks so good.
You like it?
Yes. I'm kind of thinking now black.
I mean, I think black would look better personally.
Yeah, let's do black. It doesn't hurt at all. Oh god, I love it so much already. Oh my god, it's perfect. Oh my god, I love it so much.
You like it?
Yes, no, I love it. Yay, thank you. Bye. I'm so excited. I don't think I've ever been this excited for a tattoo in my entire life. I feel like almost crying. When you've been wanting something for 4 years and you finally get it, I changed my mind a little bit. We put the stencil on. So what I drew, he actually had it already there, but a little smaller. So I was like, that's okay, we can do a little smaller. A lot of you guys are probably like, good choice, Samantha. Let me get in this car. It's -40 and I'm in a sweater. I'm so excited! Okay, so it's easy to hide for when I vlog. The only thing is when I start contouring, I'm gonna have to start contouring like up here and then oh my god, sorry. I'm so sorry, I just love it so much. What I didn't want people to think is I was doing it for a trend. You know, because like, nothing against the Island Boys. We love the Island Boys up in here. I love rappers, I love face tats and stuff like that, but that's not why I wanted it. I just have always loved the look of face tats, and I've always wanted a heart on the side of my face. Always. 4 years ago, I actually tried to get it. I feel like he's so so nice. He's so sweet. The only thing that sucks about a tattoo so small is you still pay hourly, so it was $150. And of course I gave him a $30 tip, like, hi, like, I love you so much, thank you so much for doing this for me, because a lot of people wouldn't, and he's like my friend. And also pain level 0.5. I'd say 0.5. Like, I was like, I always close my eyes just to like put myself into a different zone, so like my eyes closing isn't like me in pain. No pain at all. Glad that I didn't get it like right here. I'm actually really glad. And he's like, your drawing sucked. Also, this is the tattoo artist. Go follow him on Instagram. He is like literally, not trying to be mean to people in the city, but he's the best. He's the best in the city. And I just feel really overwhelmed because it's something I've been wanting for so long, and I just like, I like experimenting on my face. I like fillers, I love makeup, different lashes, lippies. So like something different, like in a heart on my face. I could even like, when it heals, put like glitter on the inside of that heart. I could fill it with like pink eyeshadow. I'm like, the possibilities are endless. I could do like the outside of that heart with lash glue and then put glitter on it. There's like, oh my god, you guys, sorry. So I'm gonna try to show you. That's what it looks like. I'm gonna probably have to just give you guys an up close, but it looks so good. I wanted an outline. I didn't want it filled in. I could get it filled in later on in life. So I originally wanted it filled in like 4 years ago. But I like the outline of it. And I wanted it red. As soon as we put it on, the stencil was darker. I was like, I like it like that. Please do it like that. He's like, right? Because when I sat down too, he's like, you're sure you're wanting it red? And I was like, yeah. And then he's like, I think it would look better black. He's like, but you do whatever you want. He said, I think it just would look like better black. It just would look better black. And as soon as I put the stencil on, I was like, black. Like, and I'm so glad I did. Bye! I'm gonna go show my mom my face tattoo. She's gonna freak out. I'm so excited. Okay, so, first of all, she's gonna hate it. Second of all, she's gonna judge me. Let's go. I was on my way home and I was like, detour. You guys probably wanna see my mom's reaction. As do I.
What's going on? You're gonna film something. I know you are.
Come look at this. Hi. I'm at work. I just got a face tattoo. But it's cute. So I take off my mask. That's okay. Why did you do that? It looks so cute.
Don't do that anymore.
Not cute. No, it's ugly. It actually looks kind of cute, doesn't it? Just a little heart.
That's there for the rest of your life.
How do you know the rest of my life isn't tomorrow? Now my brother's reaction.
Hi, new company there. It's called your sister. Look, she got a tattoo. On her freaking face.
It's real.
I think the sweater's better.
Yeah, I know.
Yeah. It was the occasion. Yes, my brother and my mom work together, and I'm glad I got to get both their reactions. I didn't want to film her coworkers because I know it shouldn't be on camera, but they all said it looked really cool and dainty. They were like, it looks actually really cool. It suits you. I was like, ah! I was expecting my mom to be like, huh? But I really, really like it. So she also gave me gum. Everyone always gives me gum. All my friends, literally, my other friend this weekend gave me this gum. And I'm chewing it right now, and I have this gum. Like, I just love gum. Gum's my thing. Wow! This is who I went to right here. Some of you guys might be asking me, why didn't I show my dad the tattoo? All my friends think it's like suits me and it looks really cute. But my dad wouldn't care. My dad would be like, okay. My dad would be like, why would you show me that? Not in a mean way. Like, he's not mean, but he doesn't like body mods. He doesn't not like body mods at all. So that's why I just wouldn't show him. It would be a waste of time. He'd be like, okay. Oh my god, you guys can see it through my mask. Ah! Sorry for screaming so much. Okay, it's day 2 of my face tat. I don't know if people are gonna get mad at me and saying this isn't a face tat, because I just saw someone else on TikTok who got it pretty much in the same place, and she was like, I got a face tat, and so many people were like, that's not a face tat. That's not. The only face tat's only if it's visually here. So I'm like kind of shook. Oh well, the internet hates me anyway. This is what it looks like today. I think people are gonna want to know how long it took. So I walked in there at like 2:40ish after like paying. Yeah, I was late. My appointment was at 2:30, and I got out of there at, I think it was 3:02 or something like that. So it was like no time at all. I was just like in and out so quick. I can't wait to take this off and look at it. I don't know how I'm gonna put makeup on around it. I've seen other people when they have face tats put on their whole makeup and then take a makeup remover wipe and go like this to it. The only thing that I'm worried about right now and concerned of is it's making me want more. I want something now up here, and I'm just like, Oh my god, I love it so much. I'm so glad I went with black. I feel like an island boy now, so bye. I'm an island boy. I'll just pop the picture up here. This is where the picture that I used when I went around to the different tattoo shops to ask them, you know, if I could get the tattoo or not. And it was just like so little and so tiny, and yeah, all of them said no to it. So that was the original picture that I wanted. So I've been wanting it for about 4 years now. This is just when I made the mock-up of it on my phone. So make sure that you know what you want before you go get it, especially if it's on your face. Hey guys, this is day 3 of the tattoo healing. It doesn't hurt at all. I want to take this off. And it's actually kind of funny because the last few vlogs I posted, Vlogmas day 30 and 31. 30 is the day that I got the tattoo. 31, I had to like hide it and I had my hair up. So I was zooming into clips. So when I was zooming into clips, it's because I was literally like this. And I knew people were gonna maybe put 2 and 2 together or be like, what's on your face? So I just wanted to hide it. I was editing out clips where I was fully like this. I was refilming clips because I was more like this. It's funny. It's been like, I've been like kind of hiding it from you guys, even on Snapchat. I'm doing a whole video right now on something. A few things, and then I used up some free. I recently took up fencing. The neighbor said they'll call the police if I don't put it back. At a height of 4'11".
Hey, you think you could go turn on Patrick?
Okay. Stop. Get out of the house. Okay, my cute little outfit here. I got this for Christmas. It's so cute. Okay, let's take this off. Where do I even start? What is this thing in my ear right here? Is that ink? Oh, just a piece of dirt. Why won't this come off? Oh, here we go, here we go. That's what I'm left with. That was not painful at all. My hair didn't get caught. So I'm just supposed to take a little bit of warm water. Okay, I think those are like scabs. I don't want to like move them around too much. It's not itchy at all. Okay, so this is the first time I'm gonna put on makeup since my tattoo, and it is pretty much fully healed. Looks like this. It's perfect. It's symmetrical. I'm so happy. So what I think I'm gonna do is put my finger, I don't have a nail here, so this works perfectly. Like this. We'll see what that looks like. I know someone named Sagittarius Shawty, and she goes like this. And then licks her finger and goes like that. I think it's Saggy. It could be someone else. I want it more vibrant than that. There we go. This is just really cakey foundation. Oh my gosh, I need like a makeup wipe. Honestly, the only thing now is like I have an itch to get more. I want something like here, or I want something like here. I just think that they are so beautiful. I'm curious though, did anyone actually catch on and know that I got the face hack? So this is the finished product with makeup on. This is what it looks like. Now I'm gonna try to do an up close with it all healed and everything. That's what it looks like. I hope it is focusing and you guys can see it. So thank you guys so much for watching this. If it's not your cup of tea, that's okay, right? That's okay. Do what you want in life. Do what you love in life. Life is too short. If you're underage and want a tattoo, make sure you get your parents' permission. Don't be going behind anyone's back. Please, please, please. That's not the vibe, okay? We don't want anyone getting yelled at. Take your time, know what you want, and I love you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!